Hi, I'm Jenny Summers, and this is the Ranken Technical College Fall Job Fair. We have over 400 companies that have registered for the job fair. We have 5 rooms, so we'll go through some of the rooms and we'll show you some of the companies that are here for the job fair. We are so excited about this. This is the job fair. We have Clayton Valet. Hi, is this your first time coming to the Ranken Job Fair? Okay, what do you think about it so far?
It's great. It's fantastic.
Okay. Have you hired any of our students before?
We have not.
Okay, so this will be a first time. Okay, great. Thank you for coming. We have a long-standing partnership with Boeing. This is Boeing. Thank you guys for coming. Have you hired any of our students before?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think of our students?
We like it.
Okay.
We appreciate it. Thanks for what you do.
Okay, all right. Thank you for coming. Again, there's over 400 companies that have registered for the job fair.
There's what?
Over 400 companies that have registered for the job fair. And actually, this is one of our smaller ones. We have another company, Tri-Rest. Thank you so much for coming. Can you tell, have you hired any of our students before? Have you hired?
I don't believe we have. This is our first experience working with you guys and being a part of this kind of job fair. So
What do you think of it so far?
Very impressive.
Oh, and so the students that have come through have been so energetic and passionate about the chosen field. It's great.
Great. Thank you for coming.
So we're going to walk around and just look at some of the ranks, because I don't think you can hear it anyway.
Some of our vendors. Prairie State.
That'd be somewhere in the issue.
Yeah?
That was very nice. So kind of seeing some of the stuff like
I love our long-standing partnerships, and we're so excited. Internet, hi. This is International Paper. Is this your first time at our job fair?
I was here last spring with a different maintenance manager.
Okay, great.
Ranken grad,
first time,
maintenance
I'm a
manager.
Ranken grad.
Okay, so you're Ranken grad. What did you graduate?
2002.
Okay.
Industrial electricity.
How have your Ranken career helped you as far as, well, in your career search, inside your career?
I've been, well, since I left there, I've had a job. I've had a job continuous for last 20 years.
Okay.
I've worked at different companies, Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals. I've been at Anheuser-Busch, and I'm just started here with International Paper probably, what, 5-6 months ago. So I'm, new in this area, but in the maintenance field, I've been here for a long time. And Ranken is a big help in that. So.
Great. Appreciate you coming back to see us.
Okay, we're going to finish by walking the entire length of the fair.
We're going to finish now by walking the entire length of the fair. Again, this is room 1. It was a total of 152 companies in this particular room. The students are all engaged. And let's stop one of the students. These are some of our students, our prize students here. What departments are you in?
EAT, electrical automation, yep, EAT.
So how have your experience been with the job fair?
It's been wonderful. It's been great so far. There's a lot of people here, a lot of companies looking for workers. So happy to be here. I've never even been out here before. We're both from Wentzville, so.
Great. Well, welcome to St. Louis.
I don't think you can hear it.
The United States. Yeah.
What?
And this is room 2. In room 2 is the information technology departments. All these are IT, and of course the students are going around talking to them. We have first year and second year students talking to the employers. There's many internships available here, and this is room 3. Room 3 is typically carpenters and HVAC, plumbing, different departments like that. And we're going to stop by and talk to a company.
Okay.
Let's talk to thermal refrigeration. Hi, how are you? Good seeing you. Well, actually, this is the local to
Roofers and Water.
Okay, tell us about your company and how have your experience been here at Ranken?
Well, as far as the company goes, I'm part of the Roofers Union. I'm the training director for the local, and we represent 50 different contractors within the St. Louis area, and right now we're running about 358 apprentices around the St. Louis area.
Have you hired any Ranken students before?
Yes, absolutely we have. We've had 2 or 3, I think, in the past year that have come from the career fair here, and it seems like every year we get quite a few of them that come in and call and, question about the program and are interested in getting into a registered apprenticeship.
Okay, how have they been?
They're good workers. Each one of them seems to, be real knowledgeable, and they're really interested in getting in there and starting their career.
Great. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Thank you, Jane.
Bye. Hi, guys. And Thermal, just want to say hi to you.
I'm getting text. You can't hear what they're saying.
Okay. Hi, good seeing you. This is Thermal Refrigeration. We are longtime friends. And tell us how your experience have been with the Ranken students.
It's been excellent. All of our techs are Ranken graduates.
I think
We've got them all from Ranken. We hire the young guys and work them all summer, and then we hire them full-time when they graduate.
And they're all Ranken graduates that you hire.
Every technician is a Ranken. Every one of our guys, we've got 18 of them, and they all came out of Ranken.
Wow. Thank you so much.
And I can tell you, when Vatterott was still around, we had a couple Vatterott students. They didn't make it.
Oh, my gosh. Well, we're Ranken proud. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Let's just walk. I don't think they can hear a word there. Here's a personal question. You could say this is room 3.
Again, this is room 3. Architecture is in this room, and carpentry. Each room is filled up. And this is room 4. And room 4 is basically automotive companies in this particular area. We're going to stop and talk to Enterprise.
All right.
Enterprise is a long-standing partnership with Ranken. Can you tell us how your experience has been with Ranken?
I love Ranken. We graduate. We get a lot of their students, so we love to talk to any student.
So you're a Ranken graduate?
Yes, 1994.
Wow. Well, thank you for coming back to visit us. Again, this is room 4. We have around 80 companies in this particular room. And the last room is room number 5. We will go in there. And we will just stop and talk to a company. Let's go to Guarantee Electric. This is Guarantee Electric, and they're again a long-standing partnership with us, with Ranken. And tell us how your experience has been with our Ranken graduates.
Well, it's been great. I'm Greg Crook. I'm the HR director. I'm the HR director at Guarantee, and it's been a great experience. For the past 2 years, we've actually had 4 Ranken grads transition into our internship program and become full-time permanent employees. And wealth of knowledge. Actually, Jonathan's with us today. He was a graduate last summer, and he was offered a full-time position. So couldn't be happier with the talent, and appreciate all you guys do.
Thanks for coming and seeing us. All right. Companies here is electrical companies and also manufacturing. Okay, this concludes our tour of the Ranken Technical College Fall Job Fair. Thank you very much and have a good day.